Hello everyone, and I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be making mixed vegetables. So in a pot on high flame, we're going to add 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil, but I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Then 1 medium-sized onion, just cut into slices. Add that and soften it up. Once the onion is softened in about 1 minute, you're going to add 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Mix this up well, and then we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Then after that, we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix that up and add 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes and about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then mix this up, and you're going to see it's going to start to kind of splatter a little bit of oil. Add a little bit of water if necessary. Here I just have some peas. These were frozen peas, so I just soaked them in some water. So add about 2 cups of that, and then these are about 2 pounds of Pakistani carrots. They're really nice and red. Here I have about 4 potatoes that I cut up, peeled, and then they were soaking in some ice cold water. It'll prevent them from turning brown. Here I have about 10 green chilies that I cut finely, and then cover the lid and put on medium flame. So here you can see these are nice and cooked. So we cooked this, covered the lid in for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to be adding 2 bunches of fresh fenugreek. This was washed very well. Wash it well because it sometimes has a lot of dirt in it. Wash it very well and then cut thinly. Mix this in, and we're going to let this cook now, and it's going to cook in its own water. After adding the fenugreek on about high flame, you're going to mix this, and this could take anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. Don't cover it, just keep on mixing until everything is cooked. It'll look like this, and enjoy with paratha, roti or naan. I hope you like this recipe, and goodbye.